Hello everyone, in this video I'll walk you through how to add multiple photos in one TikTok story. The first thing you do is tap on the create icon, which is a plus sign in the middle at the bottom of your screen after opening up your TikTok app, of course. And the next thing you do is tap on upload, and then make sure at the bottom here this select multiple is ticked. If it's not ticked, you can only choose one picture or one photo. So once you make sure it's on, and then you tap on the pictures or the photos you want to add to your story. You can see them, so make sure you tap on them. And once you've gotten enough, so you can see I've added 10, tap on next. So once you're through, tap on next again. Decide who can watch your video. Content disclosure: if you want to post it in the marketplace, you won't allow comments, and when you can also save to device. If this is turned on, to be saved to the device, then you tap on post.